All right, let's talk about it, people. So right now, I'm sitting on my 2024 Honda Goldwing named Jackal, and I bought this motorcycle back in March. It's not been that long, and I have 15,238 miles on this bad boy, right? And I changed out the tires on here. I want to say I changed out the tires on this thing 1,000 miles in. So this review, let's call it a 14,000 mile review on the Michelin W GT tires. These tires are ridiculously amazing. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna give you guys some insights on this tire. The Dunlops is what came on this bike. I've never been a fan of Dunlops. On my Road Glide on Beast, I have the Michelin Commander 3s, and I've ridden this bike for miles as well. And I'm gonna read some stuff here so you can get some ideas on this Michelin Road W GT. I got the tire from Southern Honda Power Sports. The second I got it, I asked them if they have any Michelins made for Goldwings. And these are tires made specifically for Goldwings, okay? So if I sound a little congested, I apologize. No, I don't. All right, the Michelin tire, it says, the Michelin Road W GT is a durable, long-distance touring tire for heavy bikes like the Honda Goldwing, focusing on wet or dry grip, comfort, and longevity with features like silica compounds, water evacuating sipes, and reinforced 3-ply radial construction for stability and puncture resistance. Key specs include sizes like 180/60 for 16 size rims, up to 255/16 rims for the rear, and 130/70 R18 for the front. That means rims with high speed ratings. So for me, I'm not even gonna read the rest of this stuff. These tires, I've ridden these tires in all types of weather conditions. I've ridden these tires in extreme heat when I went to California. I've ridden them in extreme rainstorms. I've ridden these tires going up Pikes Peak where it was cold as heck up there. Of course, the air is different. I felt no slipping, no sliding. There was snow on the mountain. I've ridden these tires on gravel when I was cutting through Arkansas, and the tires have been phenomenal. The tire, the tread still has, I would say, probably like another 10,000 miles on this damn thing before I even have to think about changing these tires. Now, I see a lot of people reviewing tires after 2,000 miles. I see people reviewing things. I'm like, that's not really a really concise review. Now, the cornering on these tires, the way they're built, I've taken corners on the Turbo Hollow Skyway, and I've done it in the rain. And the bike corners well. I felt zero slippage, I'm telling you. So if you're looking for a tire that you are really considering changing out the tires you have on your bike, maybe you're just not comfortable, maybe you're looking for something that's different, maybe something that's more reliable. I consider myself to be a rider. I consider myself to be somebody who takes safety very serious when it comes to motorcycling. And gear is everything on your body, right? But my thing is this: why not get the right gear for your motorcycle? Forget about all the cosmetics and all of the, hey, look at what I got and look at how much money I spent on this. No, look at the things that's gonna keep you safe on the road, and it starts with those tires. Like, for example, these are my tires for my body, right? My boots. These boots right here is from Alpine Stars. These are my tires for my body. This means that I can run over gravel, I can walk through sand, I can walk in heat. If the bike goes down, these boots or these tires here have protection in the ankle, protection on the toes, and it just keeps me safe, right? So why not put on the right boots for your motorcycle that's gonna do the same job for your bike? My thing is, don't be cheap. Don't go and spend $150 on some tires because you want to save another $150. Go and spend the money. Now, when you're looking for these tires, big shout out to my man Jerome, because Jerome, he asked me the tires that I was using. He asked me what I thought about these tires, and Jerome is up there in Buffalo. He went ahead and bought these tires. So you're looking for tires. If you're close by in Tennessee, go to Southern Honda Power Sports. Tell them Sensei sent you. They'll probably work with you a little bit on the deal. But if they don't, it's okay. Make the investment. If you're not close to Southern Honda Power Sports, go online and order these tires. These tires are phenomenal. Now, while I'm here talking to you guys, I got some rides coming up going into the spring and in the summer. I want to do something pretty big. We're going to be doing another event. Every year we're doing the meetup at Southern Honda Power Sports. The one last year was pretty good. It was all right, but this year we're gonna do it much better. We're gonna have the food, we're gonna have some DJs, we're gonna have stuff that we're gonna bring it live. We're gonna do some giveaways and a whole bunch of different things, right? And I don't care what kind of motorcycle you got, but we're gonna have some good stuff. I want you guys to give me some ideas of what are some of the things that you think that we should be doing this year with Ride Fit Nation. And of course, big shout outs to my Gold Wing squads from Gold Rush Nation, all right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. This video is pretty short, it's pretty quick. Let me give you guys some close-ups as I'm talking so you can see the tire. And once again, exact mileage of this motorcycle is, what did I say, 15,238, but let's call it 14,238 because I'm taking off 1,000 miles because, you know, yeah, that's when I got the tires changed out. All right, so you guys remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Give me some ideas on what you want to see in this video, on these videos, because I have a whole lot of things going on in my head. But I want to know what you want to see on this channel so I can start to produce that content, because that's what we're here for. And by the way, if you are in a club, take the moment to big up your club. We need to start to give a lot more respect and more highlights to our club. Big shout outs to my club, Ironbread MC, right here in Atlanta. And if you're looking to be part of a club, you want to be a part of a group of guys who's all about riding, because we're taking things to the next level. We ain't looking for people who ain't about riding their motorcycles. We need people who's gonna ride their motorcycles that's good-hearted. We don't need people who's criminals. We don't need people who have negative intentions in life. We need people, men, who are about it in this world, about their family, about their spirituality, about their motorcycle, about making their money. You know what I'm saying? So if you are interested, you can email me at ridefitnation@gmail.com, and, you know, we'll see if you're a good fit for Ironbread MC or not. I had to plug my club. But guys, don't forget, plug the club. If you're not in the club, let me know your thoughts on what you want to do, because we're getting ready, all right? So anyway, let's get these miles, let's get that money, let's get the muscle, and I'll see you next time. Peace! And by the way, when y'all see me doing this, this means together. This means to separate. If you don't know, now you know.